We have multiple submerged arc welding gantries to weld accurate, repeatable, custom-sized square, rectangular, multi-sided poles and tubes. Product can be made from multiple grades, thicknesses, and sizes. In addition to the submerged arc welding gantries, we also have an open arc welding gantry to weld parts up to 50 feet in length. Small parts welding takes place in a dedicated 10,000 square foot fabrication bay, serviced by 2 overhead cranes and multiple welding stations. For more information about HW Metals, you could reach us at 503-692-1690 or find us at hwmetals.com.